Surgery can be really stressful for patients, and I'm a lighthearted individual, so I like to have fun with my patients and keep them at ease. I often tell patients that orthopedic surgery is not all about golf and hammers, saws, and drills. Although I love work, coming home to my family is like the best part of my day. I have a 1-year-old daughter at home, and just see the smile on her face is unbelievable. I'm Oscar Noel. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist at Center for Spine and Orthopedics in Thornton, Colorado. Something I love to tell my patients is that being a surgeon is in my DNA. Both my grandfathers were surgeons. My grandfather that lived here in Colorado was an orthopedic surgeon who was team doctor for the Nuggets before they were the Nuggets, back when they were the Rockets, and was team doctor for CU for like 30 years. He established a big practice here in town. My uncle also is an orthopedic surgeon, and my cousin, my sister is a physician, and so being a physician and a surgeon is in my blood. Growing up as a kid, I either wanted to be an F-16 fighter pilot or an orthopedic surgeon, and I'm 6'4", and my vision went a little bit, so I opted for the orthopedic surgery route. I'm a Colorado native, and growing up in Colorado, I was exposed to having mountains in my backyard, and so I got into skiing at a young age, also fishing, hunting, hiking. I play a lot of golf and tennis. Colorado is just a perfect playground. So 2 truths and a lie. I like Chipotle, I love Chipotle, I don't like Chipotle. The best part about Colorado is just the beautiful landscape that we have, the mountains, great people, and I actually met a very fantastic Colorado girl here and got married to her, so very happy with that. The word family to me is all about support and love. I have a great family and we're really close. Being an orthopedic surgeon can be very stressful at times. Coming home to my family is very relieving of stress, as well as just getting out into the great Colorado outdoors. Trust is something that's very hard to come by these days, and I think that in order to develop trust between a physician and a patient, we really have to have a conversation. And if you understand what's going on, and I'm conveying that with you fully, then you can trust and make decisions based on that. I am all about a shared decision-making process between the physician and the patient. There's oftentimes a lot of fear and anxiety that leads up to surgery, and one of the ways that I put my patients at ease is to educate them. I think if you know what's going on and you're well educated about your problem and the planned procedure, then it makes it a lot easier. I have a very mechanical mind, and it's one of the reasons I chose orthopedics. I've always been able to use my hands and figure out how things fit together and how things work, and that's fantastic when you're reconstructing things in the human body in hips, knees, shoulders, hands, and it just allows me to let people get back to their mobility and their quality of life. The number one thing for me in my life is faith. I'm a very faith-based person, and it leads me throughout my days, and it helps me guide my decisions in the way that I interact with people. Karen writes, I have had bad knees all my life. For multiple years of running and hiking, I've seen a few orthopedic surgeons for my problem in the past, and I have to say that Dr. Noel is the best in the business. He is very personable, and he took the extra time to listen to my problems and concerns. He answered every single one of my questions fully. That makes me feel great to hear stuff like that. I mean, that's why I'm doing what I'm doing, is to help people live a quality of life, make an impact on other people. Patients choose to come to me as their surgeon because I'm a very honest person, and I like to treat people conservatively for as long as possible. If they don't need surgery, I don't offer them surgery. I do what's right for the patient. I'm Dr. Noel. I look forward to meeting you and helping you live a better life.